Hello, welcome. I've got a parcel. All new boxy. Can't wait to open it. As you can see, nothing open yet. Brand new boxes, nice, black. Love the rose gold. How beautiful is that? Life is better with bling. It certainly is. Hope everybody, it's New Year's Eve, whatever time of day, month, year you're watching this. If anybody ever watches this. I have no idea, as you can see. I've not opened it at all. Everything's beautiful. Beautiful new packaging. Loving the rose gold. Thank you for your order. Lovely little sticker. My heart's beating 10 to a dozen. This is the first. So this is my January box. Oops, a daisy. From Alina Crystals. It's a new thing. This is the first. So lovely packaging. Put that to one side. So we've got crystals, a new wax melt, decals. Wow. Way more than I was expecting. I have no idea what I know that the colours are blues because we've had a mood board. If anybody follows alina-crystals.com on any of their social media. So we have shapes, teardrop, AB, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Love a nice AB. Next down we have, clear pointy backs. They're nice for gap filling. I'm not very good with pointy backs, but it's a learning curve. Then we have, what a beautiful, beautiful colour that is. That is stunning. That's like a mid-tone blue. Slightly AB. Absolutely stunning, stunning colour. Absolutely glorious. Love blues. And they are teeny weeny little clear crystals. Look at the sparkle on those. I hope that comes up. And then we've got, oh my goodness. They are like a white opal with a purple shift, purple blue shimmer. Wow. They are going to look amazing. Absolutely amazing. And then we have, now these are more of a fire gold shift, also in an opal. Those are in the stacker. That is absolutely beautiful. And then we have a wax melt in chamomile. So that'll be nice. Nice fragrance to put on to keep us all nice and calming winter. These are very tiny, teeny tiny pointy backs in AB. Look at those. Wow. These are a lovely opal rectangle. And these are a very, very slender clear raindrop. And this is the glitter. The glitter is called Winter Sparkle. And that is just beautiful. So if I can make a ham-fisted attempt at opening these, because I'm rubbish at opening these packets. Sorry, people. But you're opening this with me. I've not seen. There's been no hints or clues as to anything. So this is me unwrapping it. So it's an iridescent glitter. Absolutely, it's a very fine. It's not a super fine, but it is nice and fine, so it's suitable for using with gel polish. That's just gorgeous. Absolutely goes with the crystals so beautifully. And then we have some decals. So we've got some beautiful blue. There's everything. There's leaves, there's some flowers, there's acorns, there's a butterfly. So they're lovely. And then we have some coffee and cake. Who doesn't love a nice coffee and cake? And these are beautiful because these can be infilled. So you can put the top side on your rubber stamper, clear jelly stamper, and then you can use some gel paint or some gel polish and just fill in any of the details with a fine detailer brush, cure it, and then pop it on your nail. And you've got your own personalised colour. How gorgeous are they? And then, oh, orange flower and ginger, revitalising face sheet. Well, that's me. I'm going to go and have a lovely long soak in the bath and put that on because that sounds like it's going to smell delicious. Absolutely lovely for a nice winter treat. So that's our beautiful first month, January. Gift box. So very, very, very worth the pennies. Beautifully wrapped, beautifully presented, beautifully full of bits and bobs. Look at that, that is just stunning. So that's all for me. I'm going to go and produce some beautiful nails, hopefully beautiful nails with this. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody has a marvellous 2022. Bye.